guys, today we are going to be reacting to fake images on MSP. So what people like to do is they get photos from the internet and put me in real life, and today we will be exposing them. So we always caption it as me in real life and those will come up. So this one I think is real. Like, I think it's real because like you can tell from like the lighting. I'm actually using a Snapchat photo, and if we type in on YouTube, on Google, and it probably won't come up because like it's probably real. So she has like black hair, so let's type up girl with black hair with Snapchat filter. Yeah, hers didn't come up, and if it was from the internet, if I typed it up, it would come in straight away. So this one is 100% real. So you look so. Okay, next one. You can tell from the way she looks. Like, she looks really old. I'm gonna put fake expose hashtag. Okay, this one you can also tell is real. Just like you can just tell that it's real because of the like lighting and stuff. Like you can tell this one's real. Oh, you're so pretty. Okay. These ones are just like a joking one, so it's fine. Okay. She looks like she's 17. Let's look at her. Like, what the hell? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is Mackenzie. Look, we can type her up. Mackenzie is images. This is literally Mackenzie, like. Look at that face. And then they're the exact fucking same. Bruh. Oh, it looks cute. There's Mackenzie again. I mean, I'm not sure if Mackenzie would have that much accounts. Like, oh, it's the same person. Okay. But still, this is. Oh my god, guys. Work. Look, she didn't crop this bit out. Look, she didn't crop this bit out. Oh my god. This is Melanie Martinez. What the hell? Fake? I know for a fact Melanie Martinez would not play MSP. Like, she's like 20 or something. Again, you can tell. Oh my god. Fake. This one? What? Okay. Like, some of them you can just tell they're real from the lighting, but when you get off the internet, they're like so professional, and like you can just tell straight away. Like, this one, for example, is real because you can tell from the lighting. Like, it's really easy. That one, like, real. She's just like a. I can tell this is real because of the lighting, and she's only little, so she took it at a bad angle. Oh well. Oh my god. What is that on quickly? Oh my god. Like, what? Why would she even try to be... I don't even want to know right now, to be honest. I know her. It is real. Cookie is the one on the right. This, I think it's fake. Because of the cropping skills. Look at that. The cropping skills. Look, if you click on it. Look, she didn't sort this out. So, yeah. This one's real. This one is a fake. Like, she didn't even. You can literally see. You can see the thing. Oh my god. Horrible cropping skills. Not. That's that. Oh my god, that is. Oh my god! With the actual fake. The rest of these are real. This is Ariana Grande, so. Oh my god, I love it how she tried to crop it out like from the bottom here, but she didn't get all of it. Like she was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna be smart and do this so they don't know so they don't know it's fake. Girl, what the hell? I didn't know. I didn't. That looks like she's like a woman, like a 21-year-old woman or something. And it's just creepy if she plays MSP. Was it the actual frickety frick? Why? Oh my god. I can see the cropping right here. We are not hating. We no hate because she Ariana Grande. Everyone loves her. Okay, like you can clearly see like I can't tell if it's in the fake or not. I just put her eyelashes. Oh my god, that's Christina. That's on the fucking. What? Just type it up. Let's type this up because Christina. She's known for the most beautiful girl in the world. So what the hell? Look, see? See guys? Like, why are you pretending to be this girl? What the hell? No, you can't just. Let's go on this. Okay, this is gonna be the end of the video. Comment down below what other videos you would like me to do. Oh, it's loud. Yeah, comment down below what videos you want me to do, and if you want me to be Rumor Star Planner or like Roblox or something. Don't ask what that was. Yeah. And also, I would like to give a shout out to my dear friend. Where is she? Guys, I've lost her. Oh god. It's like MSP. Guys, I forgot my own friend's name. Not her. Happy Tears. Shout out to Happy Tears. You will probably see this video. So, shout out to you, girl. What's all of it? Oh, girl, you slay. Just look at that girl. Like, girl.